Do you want to enjoy your fellowship or your prayer time with the Lord? You need to learn how to hear or receive an answer from the Lord so that you can ask Him anything you want, anything that has an issue over your life. He will definitely answer you because He just said in His word, Jeremiah 33 verse 3, call unto me and I will answer you and show you great and mighty things that you know is not. So, if you want to learn how to hear from the Lord, message me on my WhatsApp. I will teach you personally for free. Don't worry. It won't take your time. It's just less than 30 minutes long. You will learn it. If not, I will quit teaching you. Till message me on Facebook and on WhatsApp. I will teach you. Just subscribe to my channel and share it so that others will be learned too. Amen.